The latest promo of Ishq Junoo has left fans with more questions than answers. Every scene is packed with suspense, emotional tension, and hidden motives. What looks like a simple victory may actually be the beginning of a dangerous new chapter. Let's dive into everything revealed in this exciting promo. The promo begins with Gautam Singh congratulating Dr. Ruhani Sahai on her victory. His calm smile and composed attitude seem unusual. Instead of looking defeated, he confidently talks about winning and losing, making everyone wonder whether he has truly accepted the outcome or is simply hiding his real intentions. Before the conversation can continue, Guru steps in and quietly says that their work is complete. Although his words are brief, they completely change the atmosphere. His confidence suggests that everything happening now could be part of a carefully planned strategy. Rather than celebrating or showing concern, Guru appears completely satisfied, as though the real game has only just begun. The biggest surprise comes when Gautam folds his hands before Bed Chaudhary. This unexpected gesture shocks everyone. Gautam has always been known as a strong and fearless person, so seeing him act with such humility raises serious doubts. Is this genuine respect, or is he setting the stage for something much bigger? Standing nearby, Ruhani watches everything in silence. Her expression reveals confusion rather than happiness. Even after achieving what seems like a major victory, she cannot shake the feeling that something is terribly wrong. Deep down, she realizes that Gautam's behavior doesn't match the situation, making it difficult for her to believe that the conflict has truly ended. If we look closely at the promo, it seems possible that Gautam has deliberately allowed Ruhani to believe she has won. By lowering everyone's guard, he may be preparing a far more dangerous move. His respectful gesture toward Bed Chaudhary could be nothing more than a clever distraction hiding a powerful secret plan. Guru's confidence only strengthens this suspicion. Throughout the promo, he never appears worried or uncertain. Instead, he watches everything unfold with complete control, suggesting that he already knows what will happen next. His silence speaks louder than words, making viewers wonder what he and Gautam are planning behind the scenes. Meanwhile, Bade Chaudhary struggles to control his emotions. Despite Gautam's respectful gesture, his anger continues to grow. The promo strongly hints that he may soon lose his temper completely, leading to a dramatic confrontation with Guru. If that happens, the conflict inside the family could reach a point where there is no turning back. Ruhani now finds herself caught in the middle of this complicated situation. What seemed like the happiest moment of her life may soon become her greatest challenge. If Gautam and Guru are hiding a larger plan, Ruhani could unknowingly walk into a dangerous trap that changes everything. The family itself also appears to be heading toward another major crisis. Trust is beginning to disappear, hidden truths may soon be exposed, and relationships that once seemed unbreakable could fall apart. Every character seems to have a secret agenda, making it impossible to predict who can truly be trusted. Another important question remains unanswered. Will Gautam actually leave the house after congratulating Ruhani, or is this simply another move in his long-term strategy? If he returns with a stronger plan, the balance of power inside the family could change completely. The latest promo makes one thing very clear: the real story has only just begun. Every smile may hide a secret, every word may carry a hidden meaning, and every decision could lead to unexpected consequences. The upcoming episodes promise intense drama, shocking revelations, emotional confrontations, and twists that could completely transform the lives of Ruhani, Gautam, Guru, and Bed Chaudhary. What do you think will happen next? Has Gotham truly accepted defeat, or is he secretly preparing his biggest move yet? Will Rouhani's victory bring her happiness, or will it lead her into an even greater crisis? Share your predictions in the comments below. If you enjoyed this update, don't forget to like, subscribe,